Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making sayur lodeh. It's Indonesian style assorted vegetable in coconut milk. Sayur lodeh is very popular in Indonesia, especially in Central Java and Yogyakarta. So tasty and comforting, and as always best to serve with warm fluffy rice. This dish has been requested by one of my subscribers, and so I'm very happy to make it. So let's get started. First, I'm going to introduce you to all the ingredients that we need to make sayur lodeh. So here I have snack bean or long bean, baby corn, carrot, eggplant, chayote, chilies, fresh water, white peppercorn, vegetable oil, salt, melinjo fruit, petai, dried small shrimp, tempeh, shallot, garlic, coriander seed, candlenut, galangal, salam leaf, the dry one, and melinjo leaves, chicken stock, and coconut milk. So let's make it. First, I'm going to prepare the vegetables. We cut the snack bean or long bean into 4 to 5 centimeter long. So I cut diagonal. The eggplant I cut into the big chunk. The carrot also I cut into the quite a big chunks. For the chayote, I only using half of it. This also I cut into big chunk. Big green chilli, and Bali hot pepper. So I cut the tempeh into cube. You also can use tofu if you don't have tempeh. And now I'm going to prepare the paste. So we're going to blend shallot, garlic, coriander seed, and candlenut. I just cut them into small pieces. Add some water. Blend it until smooth. Next, let's crush the galangal. Let's put it aside. So now we're ready to cook them all. Let's turn on the cooker. Add vegetable oil. And now let's add the paste. Salam leaf. galangal that we crushed earlier. So after 2 minutes and the aromatic already come out from the paste, and I'm going to add the chicken stock. Along with melinjo fruit, tempeh, petai, baby corn and carrot, because this vegetable take more time to cook. And also I add the ebi, dried baby shrimp. When it's going to reach the boiling point, we're going to cook it for 2 to 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. Let's add the coconut milk. Cook around 1 to 2 minutes and keep stirring it. Add some salt, some chilies, and melinjo leaves. Mix well. Cook it until the melinjo leaves is cooked. So it's done. Let's plate it. Smells so good. So the big red chili is for garnish. I'm going to cut it diagonal. So here we are, sayur lodeh. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I would like to let you know that I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. If you would like to join, please drop me your email. I put my email address in the description below. And thank you so much again for supporting my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Matur Suksma. Bye-bye.